Hello friends, today we have a hand pallet truck for repair. So I show you the problem. The issue of this pallet truck is the wheel bracket has been damaged, broken from this side, and here will be assembled the new bracket and the wheel will be changed. Wheel have been damaged from one side. All wheels. So after replace, we will be shown. After repair, hand pallet truck. Wheels has been changed, and this new bracket and one pin of air. This. And this is a bracket, and these are the wheels. Now it is ready for work.